Hi everybody, I'm back again, and today I'm going to do an Irish recipe. A lovely lady that I met years ago taught me how to make turnips. We didn't do that in our family, but she gave me this recipe and my family has loved it ever since. And I'm going to make two different versions. Go ahead, Angela.
One's going to be vegan because I'm vegan, so we're just going to use vegan butter and not have bacon. And in hers, we're going to use regular butter and bacon.
And onions, yes. And I think you're going to enjoy both versions. And we had a lot of help today. My daughter helped rice them, and my granddaughter helped cook them. I have a hand that's not so good right now, but it's getting there. The ingredients for the recipe I'm doing today are 2 bags of frozen rutabaga, which is the same thing as turnips, 2 large baked potatoes, butter, bacon strips, onion, salt, and pepper. Put 2 bags of turnips in cold water. You're going to cut the potatoes almost to the size of what the turnips are. Put them all in the pot, then go to your sink, fill it with cold water to capacity, add a nice helping of salt, cover it, and let it come to a boil. And it's got to be soft like mashed potatoes. I'm going to cut my onion, and I'm going to saute part of the onion just in olive oil for my granddaughter, and then I'm going to do the rest of the onion with the bacon. My daughter is ricing the potatoes and turnips for me because I have a bad hand. And if you don't have a ricer, it is okay. You can do this with a potato masher. It's not going to have the same smoothness, but the flavor, it's not going to affect the flavor in any way. So if you don't have a ricer, that's fine. But I happen to love the ricer, and I happen to love the way it comes out. Okay, the turnips were all riced thanks to my daughter. I can't do it anymore. And now I'm going to add the butter, and try to have the butter really soft. It'll be easier for you to put it through. I took it out a few hours ahead of time.
The heat from the turnip should melt the butter, or you can melt the butter before you put it in.
And here's the bacon and onion. Now, if you should have an inordinate amount of oil, I would strain it. You don't want that much. You just want the drippings a little bit. And now, very softly, you're going to go with a fork because you don't want to mash all the work you did about ricing. And you want to mix it thoroughly. And now I'm going to taste a little bit of it to see if it has enough salt and pepper. Salt and pepper to taste, yes. And this is even better the day after. You're going to heat it up. My granddaughter's taping me on this, and we had a fun night. We really had a good time. And my daughter did the hard part. She did the ricing. I hope you enjoy it. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.